I am Aqua with WTI. I have found just the perfect, cutest bag by Embla. I love the capacity of this, and my favorite thing is that you can see in the bag without having to unzip it. So that really adds a lot of help when you're traveling. You're just trying to find your stuff. It's very easy to find exactly what you're looking for. Perfect travel bag. I was really impressed by how much this bag can hold too. It is a little bit bigger than I was expecting, but it held so much. I could fit any of my little things that you like to carry with you on the plane. Also, my makeup, I could fit tons of makeup in this. This bag holds a lot. I also love to carry my pens and highlighters and markers with me, and this bag fit them all in it. And I could see the pens, so I didn't have to undump the entire thing. If I was looking for a pen, I could easily spot the color or the pen that I wanted. I really liked that I could put this to many uses. So this isn't just for travel. This could be for kids, it could be for school, be for work, whatever you need this little baggie for, it will be great. And that's my point of view.